What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a set of press-on nails with like a Valentine's Day theme inspired. So let's get right into it. Only thing I'm doing with this red right here is just making a V. Once I make the V, I'll fill out the size. Once you do the V and fill in the size, you're going to want to make sure you kind of clean up the sides if they're bulky, and then you just cure it in the lamp for at least 30 seconds. Moving along, all I do here is just put regular top coat onto all the nails that's plain. And before I cure the top coat, I go in with the heart glitter and just, put them on the nail how I would like them once I got them on there. And then because I put these on with top coat and I didn't want to go in with any acrylic, I definitely tried to make the design flat as possible, but still kind of have that, look that I was going for. what you see me doing here, I'm just going in with my nail glue gel that I get from Model Ones, and I get this off of Amazon, and it works perfect once you know, long as you use a nice amount. Like, you see, if I'm just putting it in the middle, if I know that's where I need my stones, that's the only place I put it, because I think that it works better when you kind of put a nice little glob right there. Not much, but enough for the stones to kind of seep in. And this glue works great. My clients come back and I'm fighting to try to get the stones off. So I definitely recommend it. And all I was just doing was putting the glue down where I wanted, and then just placing the stones where I wanted to have them. And before I put it in the light, I just kind of make sure they're straight and, you know, not moving. And I do cure it just a little bit before I put it in the lamp, because when you don't cure it before you put it in the lamp, sometimes you will take it out and the stones slid before they completely cured. So that's a little trick right there. Okay, now I'm just going in with my matte top coat, and I got this top coat from Royalty Nail Supplies. So she's actually a YouTuber also that started her own nail line. I definitely recommend checking out her shop. Out of any product that I got from her was pretty good, so definitely check out Royalty Nail Supplies. And I'm just going in with this matte top coat, and I'm just putting it on. I'm actually putting it on all 5 of the nails because I wanted all the nails matte. But when you use this matte top coat and you have on stones, I honestly should have put my matte down before I put down the stones, but I forgot. But if you do forget like me, just make sure when you're going in with that matte, you're not getting any on the stones, because you'll completely take the shininess away from the stones. And I know a lot of people say that the top coat only stays on for 24 hours, but I'm not sure of that. But just, you know, try to not get that top coat on the stones, whether it's shiny or matte. And guys, once I pop that in the light, cure it for 60 seconds, the nails are done, and then you can move on to the step of putting them on. If you made it to the end of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.